guys, welcome back to my channel. So anyways, today we'll be doing like a, I guess it's kind of like a prank thing, majiggy, but like I'm asking people like, no, I'm not asking, I'm telling them, I think you have a secret admirer, hands note, and then I'm gonna pretend like to go get them, and if they say, okay, I'm coming, or something like that, or they're coming with me, I'll say, stay here, it's a surprise. I'll change into this. Oh la la. So this is supposed to be a boy, but it has makeup on. So yeah, okay, so let's go find a girl. Well, they're a little busy. Ivy. Hopefully this person is not AFK. Okay then. Who are you? Are you AFK? Alexa. Oh yes. I think you have a secret in my admirer. Hands note. Hands note. Hands note. Oh my gosh. Would you like to meet him? Oh my god, the people are coming. Sure, okay, stay here. I'll go get him, but he's coming alone. Okay, stay here. I'll go get him, but he's coming alone. Alright. Oh my gosh. Okay, so. Okay, let's get to my outfit. This is so funny. I named it Poop Head. I don't know why. I don't know. I named it Poop Head. Okay. Hello, I'm your secret admirer. Ha ha ha. Okay, so Poop Head is coming over. Hi, Ivy. I'm your secret admirer. How do you spell admirer? Ivy, I'm your secret admirer. Hopefully she doesn't notice like the tag right here. Hi, Ivy, I'm your secret admirer. Do you like me? This is really funny. Ivy answer. Yes. Oh my gosh. Really? 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 Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Really? Oh my gosh. She actually likes me. Oh my gosh. I can't. I'm just kidding. It's actually B Liz. Let me get to. I named it Lily. I'm just kidding. It's actually B Liz. I'm filming. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I'm laughing so hard. Okay, let's go in a different server. Okay, so we're in a different server. That was really funny. I want a person that's not AFK. Oh my gosh, there's a person moving. Leah. Leah, I think you have a secret admirer. Hands note. Oh my gosh. There's no. Okay, let me go get him. You stay here. Okay, let me go get him. You stay here. Guys, should I change up the look a little bit? I mean, I probably should though. Okay, so let's go to my designs, prank outfit. Okay. Okay, we're going to have, what should we do different? Animation. Let's do a different animation, okay? Levitation. Cowboy. Wait, let's see how it moves. Oh, yeah. Alright, that actually is pretty fun. Should we change the wings up a little bit? I think we should. Wings. He should probably have these. Alright, let's go. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. Where is she at? Where is she at? Who was it? Leah. Hi, Leah. I'm your admirer. Leah, I'm your admirer. You love me? Do you like me? This is really funny. Okay. No. Why? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Cause I'm not, well, I'm a boy though. I'm a boy though. You're a girl. I just look weird. Alright, well, I guess this person didn't like me. Oh my gosh. It says you're not, okay, whatever. So we're gonna go into a different server now. That was pretty funny. She didn't like me. We're gonna go in the prom outfit again. My outfit. Okay, so let's get another server. Okay, so guys, we're in a new server now. We don't want it to be a little bit too suspicious. What's your name? Carla. I think you have a secret admirer. Hand note. This is so funny. Want me to go get him? Want me to go get him? I'm just gonna, want me to go get him?
What?
If you want. Okay, stay here. Oh my gosh, I don't think she'll like him. Sorry guys, this is so funny. So, I was gonna ask my friend if she wanted to record this video with me, but she couldn't, so yeah. Because I think she said she was already filming, so yeah. Okay, so my design, prank outfit. Okay, so we definitely gotta change some stuff about us. Okay, boy's outfit. Should we change the outfit up? Oh no, we're not doing that. This. No, I want something that at least isn't handsome looking. I have an idea. Let's do a girl outfit. Alright, Dad, we're going to change the animation again into superhero. Wait, let's see how this looks. Superhero. No, I kind of like that. So, toy. Oh no. We're gonna do mage? What's this? Oh my gosh. Leah, is this the same server? I'm doing a different server. Let's do Cowboy again. I don't know if she was at this server. Oh my gosh. Somebody said poop head. Poop head. Oh, stop. I just pranked. Okay. Hi. I'm your secret admirer. I'm a boy, just to let you know. I'm a boy, just to let you know. Do you like me? Do you like me? Oh my gosh, M-E. Why is me tags? That's so weird. No, you need to change. JK, it's Liz. I'm filming a vid. Just change, okay? I don't want to, but well, it's just part of the whole point. Just saying. JK, it's Liz. I'm filming a vid. What? Oh my gosh. Okay, well, yeah, should we do one more? I think we should do something. I'm a little bit VIP. Okay, whatever. Okay, let's. Right, well, should we do something? What should we do? Should we just, like, I don't know. What should we do? I think I still have like an hour or something until I get to do this. Please try to get, yeah, 1 hour, 27 minutes. I don't know, guys, should we do it one more time? Okay, let's get into a different server. Okay, so we're getting into a different server. Oh my gosh, don't look at my chat. Don't look at my chat, please. Alright. So okay, well I guess I'm joining, so yeah. Okay, this is really funny. Okay, so who should we do? Wait, is this the same server? I think I'm joining the same server. But wait, I already was in this server, right? Was I already in this server? I mean, I don't know. Okay, so, let's do, hey, Gia! Hey, Gia! She has the Christmas halo, no fair. Is that the halo? I don't know. Hey, Gia! I think it is. I think you have a secret admirer. And no. Wow. Let me go get him. You stay here. Alright, so we're not going to change this one up. Or should we? What? Okay, so I just randomly went out of the world. So I think she saw me. Yeah, I think she saw me, but that's okay, I guess. Sorry, Gia. I am your secret admirer. Sorry, Gia. I'm your secret admirer. Do you like me? Like me? She said, not really. Okay, well, that'll be all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Remember to like and subscribe. God bless you, and bye, guys.